Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials: a signed-in Google account and admin privileges so the installer can create system files. Once done, check for at least 1 GB free and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This avoids mid-install failures. Now download the official Google Drive for desktop installer. Don't open it yet. Make sure other sync apps are closed to prevent conflicts. Then double-click the installer and follow the initial prompts. This begins the process of adding Drive as a desktop app. You'll be prompted to sign in. Use the account whose drive you want on your desktop, because this links cloud files to your machine. Next, choose Stream Files to save disk space or Mirror Files to keep full copies locally. Pick based on storage and offline needs. Then select specific My Drive or folder locations to sync and set bandwidth limits if you're on a metered connection. If you're behind a proxy or VPN, configure those settings now so syncing will work uninterrupted. Complete the setup by confirming the drive icon appears in your system tray or menu bar. This shows the client is active. Make sure the folders you chose appear in Explorer or Finder as either streamed shortcuts or mirrored files, and try opening a few to confirm download behavior. Once satisfied, adjust advanced preferences for startup and file formats. If something goes wrong, first restart the Drive app, then re-sign in and check firewall or antivirus rules. Those are the usual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.